Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and we're trying to get to this point from this point. And if you didn't watch the first two videos, I was removing the white background, and somebody even suggested, well, why don't you just put this ring to the back of the page? Well, that doesn't work because this is all transparent, and you'd still be able to see it if it was there or not. So I did it last night, I did it by deleting these lines, and you could, if you watch that video, you can kind of see and appreciate the difficulty of that. So we're going to move this guy out of the way quite a bit. We're going to take our eagle and we're going to move him out of the way, and we're going to left click, right click, and we're going to get outlines. Now, it'd be nice if we could do that, but this is double lines, and if you can't get to that double line, you could just draw two lines. So now we can put our eagle back. And what we're going to do, we're going to smart fill the parts that we'll be able to see with black. So we'd be able to see that. I'm going to cursor over. We would be able to see that. We're going to cursor over. We would be able to see that. And that's really it. There's a few parts in here that we're going to have to color in that I just know will have to be colored in. Like right here between his wings, there's a few places. And if you do this while you're smart filling, if you'll go ahead and move them over, then you won't have to go back and get them later. Now let's see what that looks like. We'll take our rings and just move them out of the way, and we'll color in our eagle again and take away the outline and move them over. That was a lot quicker, a lot sharper, and I think we got them all. So this way the ring looks like it's behind the eagle, and where your words are going to go right in here, and you can still see that little line, but it took a lot less time, and I think it's actually more perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. We'll go ahead and do a yellow box trick just to make sure what it looks like, and we'll get all transparent and good to go.